रियल एस्टेट सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने और बेचने तक ही सीमित नहीं है, इट्स अ विजन। एक्चुअली ये एक मौका होता है एक लेगेसी बनाने का, और जब बड़े प्लेयर जैसे कि न्यूमैक्स गेम में एंटर करते हैं तो गेम चेंज हो जाता है। न्यूमैक्स की बात करूं तो ओमैक्स के को फाउंडर सुनील गोयल जी का ये अम्बिशियस रियल एस्टेट ग्रुप है जो बड़े टाउनशिप प्रोजेक्ट्स को लेकर के सामने आ रहा है। आज हमारे साथ इसी बारे में और बात करने के लिए और जानकारी देने के लिए हमारे पास रियल एस्टेट एक्सपर्ट और न्यूमैक्स के बिजनेस एसोसिएट अनुभव मौजूद हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अनुभव, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू द शो।
थैंक यू सो मच आयुषी।
तो शुरुआत हम आप ही से करते हैं। आपकी जर्नी रियल एस्टेट की कैसी रही है, मतलब हाउ यू एंटर इन दिस मार्केट और आपने कैसे स्टार्ट किया, इससे पहले कहाँ थे सब?
So, my journey has been quite interesting. Ideally, since my childhood, I had a vision of being an entrepreneur at first.
All right.
So, post that, when I was in my job days at Lixil, it's a Japanese MNC, and I was in Lucknow. That was my base location. So, when I was in Lucknow, at that time, when I was sitting alone in my flat, at that time, this vision came in my mind that real estate is the purest form of entrepreneurship. Having the family background of real estate, my father has been in this industry since past 25 years in Delhi NCR. So sitting over there, quite a lot of things came up in my mind that there are a lot of area of improvements and scope of expansion. Post which I decided that let's go ahead and begin with this journey and expand what he has built till date, right? So post that, it was in year 2022 that I began working on this company, Big Search, and 2023 January we were operational. So when we came into this, the journey post this began with my vision and sustaining the principles of my father or our founder, on which he has been running his business till date. So this is a synergy that I had to manage. My vision and the principles that have to be followed in this organization to provide the best of services to the customers.
All right, this is a very insightful of your journey. If I'm, let me tell you guys, he's also the co-founder and founder of Big Search. Or I want to know that how the Big Search start, Big Search like company Big Search start.
So Ayushi, Big Search started ideally in year 2020, 2020 during COVID time.
All right.
So how did it start? We had a vision to build one another organization that would only be providing services to the luxury customers and selling aspirational properties, and expanding it to national level, and hopefully what we have planned in coming future to international levels as well. So the name Big Search was already decided at that time, and post that, when I entered into real estate, then it clicked my mind that we just thought of something, we had registered this name, so now it's actually the time to begin and get it to reality. So this is how it started, and today we are here, so looking forward to such properties only, where we are selling aspirational properties and with the vision that, you must be knowing, everybody, real estate is one of the most common and most famous sector, and whenever a person is buying a property, the only and the biggest fear that a person faces is मेरे पैसे कहीं फंस ना जाए, my money should not get stuck somewhere. So that it's not about being a realtor, a channel partner only, or running this organization for the with a back mind of generating finances only. So it's about providing the people the services as a trusted advisor. So this is what I actually learned in, not in these past 2 years only in my entrepreneurship journey, but this is what I have been observing since my childhood. How my father has been dealing with the clients, what services he has been providing. So the niche, the USP that came up in my mind, that since past 25 years, the customer who met him in year 99 or 2000, till date they do not go anywhere else. The reason being that the only reason that they know I can trust only one single man for this thing. And even if something goes wrong, see, it's real estate, there are many things, dynamics change, and there can be any legality issue, there can be some disputes with the buyer, seller, developer, or anybody. Same thing can happen for the developer from customer side or channel partner side. So when you look forward to these things, what actually a person wants, that even if something goes wrong or we face any situation, any dispute or something, the person through which I am investing or is the face is there in those situations, those times, and leading from front. So dad has been leading since in front since his starting of the career. So I thought that this is something that he has been providing to, we can say, his network, quite a vast network. But this is something that should not be limited to only his network, but something which everybody needs.
Yeah, on a bigger picture.
On a bigger picture,
Yeah.
this is a basic requirement that anybody who's buying a property surely needs that thing.
हाँ,
Right?
right.
So to build Big Search as a name where people can trust, okay, property खरीदनी है, Big Search पे जाओ, सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. Even if something goes up and down, they are there with us. So this is what we look forward to providing to the market. Simple vision, which is the most important and most lacking, you can say. Right? Secondly, what I vision as an entrepreneur, as the co-founder of Big Search, and I'm leading this organization now, is to transform the lives. So something that I would like to add on to what you asked, how did it start? So what came in my mind is the actual picture for Big Search. Big Search का मतलब ये एक छोटा कुछ नहीं सोचना. Everything on a bigger picture only. So this began in a manner transforming the lives, what I said. When I was in sales, and when I see sales people in sales or any other background, any other department, any industry, they possess a lot of skill set. The skill set that, the passion, the enthusiasm, the integrity. So these are few things that many people possess. But what I see, इतनी सब चीजें होने के बाद भी they are underpaid.
हाँ,
Having these things, they are underpaid, right? And when I see this industry, real estate, this is something कि अगर वो skill set, वो personality, वो आपका integrity, everything, when you combine all these things can provide them a better lifestyle, a better financial background, and होता है ना कि पैसे तो आ रहे हैं, they get the money, there's a limited amount of money that they are getting, but what you lack, it's the time and travel, just to share small things. So to manage those aspects, these are the things कि मैंने सोचा, if I can transform the lives, get people together under this roof and build the lifestyle that people actually desire and are capable of.
या दिस इज़ ट्रू, वेरी इंसाइटफुल ऑल्सो कि जब आप बात करते हैं घर खरीदने की तो रियल एस्टेट इज़ द ओनली साइट जहाँ पे आप ग्रो भी कर सकते हो, और ये अकेली ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जो बहुत रेयर केसेस में फ्लक्चुएट भी करती है, अनलाइक स्टॉक मार्केट एंड अदर मार्केट्स.
Yes.
तो मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी आपसे यही है. आफ्टर कोविड, मतलब कोविड वॉज समथिंग जहाँ पे नॉट इवन स्टॉक बल्कि सारे ही सेक्टर हिल गए थे. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा स्टेबल रियल एस्टेट हुआ है. आई वॉन्ट टू नो व्हाट्स योर विजन दैट आने वाले 5-6 साल में क्या रियल एस्टेट ग्रो करेगा, स्टेबल रहेगा?
See, it is a very dynamic industry, and what everybody says, there are a lot of things that spread in the market. कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइस एकदम से पीक पे गए हैं, so market will come to a stable point, and this is a bubble. This is what spreads in the market. कि bubble है, it will burst sometime or the other, and the prices will fall. Whosoever is investing will face a lot of, they will face a lot of consequences. कि इतना ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, नाउ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट अमाउंट व्हाट यू एक्चुअली पेड, एंड जो आपने बड़ी पिक्चर एक बबल में चलते हुए आपने परचेज करी है. बट आई डू नॉट लुक फॉरवर्ड इन दिस मैनर, एंड दिस इज नॉट एट ऑल ट्रू. व्हाट इज माई फ्रॉम माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, रीजन बीइंग this can be a thing that prices surely can come at a stable point कि आज के डेट में वो एक stagnant हो चुकी है. If what can be a thing जो कि नज़र आता है या लोगों का मानना है. But when you look forward to the past background of real estate, this is not the first time that this thing is happening. Yes, due to many international policies, many international, you can say, changes or laws and the Indian laws, there are a lot of factors because of which fluctuation आता है market में. But whenever a fluctuation comes and post that when things open up, जो लास्ट प्राइस था वेयर एट द पीक द प्राइस वेंट दैट इज द बेंचमार्क.
अच्छा.
इफ यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू द पास्ट हिस्ट्री ऑफ रियल एस्टेट, एक बार जो प्राइस हो गया, वेन एवर देन सेकेंड बूम कम्स, प्राइजेस गो ऑन अ हायर साइड, वो कभी भी नीचे नहीं जाते हैं. सो दिस यू कैन से दिस अ वेरी फेमस थिंग दैट इट्स नेवर लेट टू बाय रियल एस्टेट. राइट, प्राइजेस बढ़ रहे हैं लेकिन आप आज भी खरीद रहे हो तो भी लेट नहीं है.
ओके.
राइट, सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट कोविड आपने बताया जैसे व्हाट कोविड टॉट. कोविड के बाद से प्राइसेस एकदम पीक पे गए हैं.
हाँ हाँ.
नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन कि कोविड के बाद से प्राइसेस बढ़ गए. पीपल हैड मनी, दे वर लिविंग इन फ्लैट्स. सो सबकी अपनी अपनी आइडियोलॉजीज बनी है कि व्हाट विल वी डू. स्टॉक मार्केट था या फिर कहीं पे भी, जहाँ भी किसी ने कहीं पे भी इन्वेस्ट करा है, गोल्ड है नॉट सिक्योर टू कीप. दैट इज अ सेफ्टी, फ्रॉम सेफ्टी पॉइंट ऑफ इशू वो एक आदमी का कंसर्न होता है. वे लाइक कीप इट सो मच. सो फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दैट बिकम्स अ चैलेंज. और व्हेन आई से कि फ्लैट्स में जो थे, व्हेन कोविड केम वी वर स्टक एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक. नो बडी वॉज अलाउड टू गो एनीवेयर. Then people thought that let's shift to independent houses, right? So
Yes.
the prices for independent houses, or if we say the plots or the residential sector, that increased quite a lot post this COVID pandemic. Now we say the prices for flats and every other that as well. When you have money, ideally people had money, that is why the prices came up. Buyer था तभी था. It's all about demand and supply, right? So the demand was there, supply आई market में. जो एक अर्ज आया that I have money, let me invest for a better home, right? If I have to die because of certain reasons like COVID, or maybe you don't know what comes up next, life is unpredictable, right? So to have a better lifestyle, a better home, there was a sudden boom where people went on investing.
So my question was initially कि जिस तरह से COVID was just an example, there are many things that can happen. मेरा ये था कि क्या आने वाले 5-6 सालों में भी इस तरह का बड़ा फ्लक्चुएशन देखने को मिलेगा? मतलब अब नॉर्मल चीज़ें, नॉर्मल सी बात है, कोविड जैसी चीज़ आप प्रेडिक्ट तो नहीं कर सकते हैं,
Yes.
बट फिर भी एक आइडिया होता है कि हाँ आने वाले टाइम में द प्राइसेस विल बी स्टेबल. मतलब इतना बड़ा बूम आने की चांसेस नहीं until unless समथिंग बिग कम्स अप. तो ये इनिशियल क्वेश्चन था. तो इस हिसाब से देखें तो क्या लगता है आपको?
अगर आप इस हिसाब से देखते हो ना, सी इट्स ऑल अबाउट डिमांड एंड सप्लाई.
ऑल राइट, द मोमेंट डिमांड बढ़ेगी तो
डिमांड है मार्केट में, आज भी डिमांड है. एंड अगेन एज आई सेड, people are aware that it's never late to buy real estate, right? So demand जब तक है, जब तक मार्केट बढ़ेगा. Rest talking about the fluctuations, that is a part and parcel of real estate, right? So, even if there's a dip down in market, then it is not a very big challenge that people look forward from their point of view. So this is the something you can say the in-depth that we sit looking forward to the market, not today but since quite a long time. तो हिस्ट्री ने हमेशा यही कहा है कि प्राइजेस अगर 5-6 साल में हम कहते हैं, इवन इफ कहीं ना कहीं डिप डाउन भी जाता है, तो इट इज़ अ सेफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. आप जो आज कर रहे हो, यू आर सिक्योर टोटली. सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस दैट कम्स अप व्हेन अ बायर और अ पर्सन इज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द मार्केट. या प्राइजेस नीचे जाएंगे या रुक जाएगी, वो चीज़ है. Anybody would look forward to that thing when they are looking forward to investment या सोच रहे हैं. And we have been looking forward to that thing each and every day, day and night. So it is a very safe, secure thing that I believe कि prices would be on a good side only.
Good side only, right? Very well said, Anubhav. My next question is, आप न्यूमैक्स के साथ भी जुड़े हुए हैं.
Yes.
न्यूमैक्स हैज स्टार्टेड अ वेरी good project, which is their township in Muzaffarnagar. And my question is कि बहुत सारे developers हैं जो इस तरह का काम कर रहे हैं. They are making township. They are building something which is very unique. What is the USP that Newmax have and other don't?
Okay. So if we talk about the USP of Newmax, see, developing a township in a city like Muzaffarnagar is a USP in itself. How?
Okay.
Muzaffarnagar has been a city of wealthy people, industrialists, and you can say the landlords, very wealthy people, right? Muzaffarnagar is defined by a term, पुराने लाला रहते हैं वहाँ.
हाँ, आयरन का भी बहुत काम है वहाँ.
यस. सो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं. बट एक चीज़ का सबसे बड़ा वहाँ पे ड्रॉबैक था कि लोगों के पास पैसे थे और हैं भी, बट द लाइफस्टाइल, द लिवेबिलिटी वॉज ऑलवेज एन इशू. रीजन बीइंग कि कुछ भी डेवलपमेंट ऐसा नहीं था. अब पीपल हैव मेड देयर सेटअप्स, वेरी लार्ज सेटअप्स यू विल फाइंड इन मुजफ्फरनगर, बट वेयर दे आर लिविंग, दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम. क्योंकि क्राउडेड सिटी है, स्मॉल यू कैन से रोड्स एंड ऑल. सो अगर सामने से एक गाड़ी आ रही है और इफ कार इज पार्क्ड आउटसाइड माई हाउस, सो आई कैन नॉट क्रॉस द अदर कार. सो वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक और ये वाली इश्यूज, देन न्यूसेंस, पॉल्यूशन. सो ये चीज़ें तो हैं जो आदमी को लिवेबिलिटी को बेकार करती हैं. सो डेवलपिंग अ टाउनशिप इन सच प्लेस जहाँ पे इस चीज़ का लैक था, आई वुड से इट इज़ द बिगेस्ट यूएसपी दैट पीपल हु हैव दैट फंड्स, हु वांट अ लाइफस्टाइल, कहीं मेट्रो सिटीज में ना जाके, हु वांट टू स्टे इन देयर सिटी और
their
क्लोज टू देयर टाउन, right? And they can enjoy better livability. So that is the USP that they came up with.
सबसे बड़ी यूएसपी यही है कि जहाँ पे कोई हाथ नहीं डालना चाहता वहाँ न्यूमैक्स ने डाला.
वहाँ न्यूमैक्स ने हाथ डाला, you can say.
ओके, तो अब जब छोटी सिटी की बातें होगी तो लेट्स मूव टू टियर 1 सिटीज़ जो हमारी बड़ी सिटीज़ है, सच एज बैंगलोर जैसे, हैदराबाद जैसे, आपका दिल्ली हो गया. डू यू थिंक न्यूमैक्स कैन आल्सो कम हियर एंड परफॉर्म इन सच अ वे 5 से 6 सालों में?
Why not?
हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल हो
एंड
सकता है.
इस विजन के आपके पीछे ये जो कॉन्फिडेंस आपने दिखा, इसके पीछे रीजन?
See, everything begins top to bottom.
अच्छा.
Anything that you look forward goes top to bottom. Ideally न्यूमैक्स ने अगर T1 सिटीज या मेट्रो सिटीज में आना है 5-6 सालों में, जो कि हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, इट बिगिंस विद द फाउंडर्स विजन, एमडीज विजन, राइट?
ऑलराइट.
उनका इंटेंट होगा, उनका विजन है इस ब्रांड को ऐसी जगह लेके जाने का, तो ही ब्रांड आएगा. दिस इज व्हाट आई मीन बाय टॉप टू बॉटम. एंड विद द एनर्जी एंड द पैशन दैट द एमडी पोजेसेस, सो आई फाइंड नो रीजन कि क्यों नहीं आ सकता. Being that energetic, that passionate, in spite of having that quite a good long career, which he has developed so many big townships projects pan India, right? But post that, even he's so energetic, so passionate for his work, for his he's so committed to his work, na, that he will surely make it to big cities as well, and he should. If the brand Newmax should definitely make it.
He can and he should.
Yes, both.
Yes,
He can
okay.
and he should.
Very well said. अब जब बात एमडी की हो ही रही है और उनके विजन की हो ही रही है, तो लेट्स गेट बैक टू द टॉपिक विच इज़ देयर मुजफ्फरनगर प्रोजेक्ट. आजकल लोग जब घर खरीदते हैं, यू ऑल्सो नो दैट पीपल आर दे आर नॉट जस्ट बाइंग होम, दे आर नॉट जस्ट बाइंग अ प्लेस टू लिव, दे आर एक्चुअली बाइंग समथिंग कॉल्ड फ्यूचरिस्टिक लग्जरी. दे आर हैविंग, उनके दिमाग में ये होता है कि आने वाले समय में दिस कैन बी अ लग्जरी टू देम. डू यू थिंक न्यूमैक्स विल बी एबल टू मीट दोज थिंग्स? उनके ये जो कहते हैं स्टैंडर्ड्स, उनको मीट करने के लिए न्यूमैक्स विल बी एबल टू डू दैट?
See, Ayushi, as you asked this question, what I told, with this brand Big Search looks forward to selling luxury properties, one thing, or aspirational properties. So I also found something over that in that brand, that project Newmax, that they would be able to deliver that thing. They are looking forward to building that thing, and now they are working on those aspects. That is the reason that I entered into this project, and what I mean that I will be working on this thing, right? So yes, this is a clear-cut answer. Ki they will surely be able to deliver the lifestyle that should be there.
it's like that you trust them, so people can also trust them because you are dealing with these type of projects already. Something
Yes.
like
So
that.
Ayush, it's like whosoever is will buy the property over there will come to me first or other business associates of Newmax, right? And I will be the face who would be telling the customer what is coming and what would be the development, not Newmax at first who would be telling. So it is the chain that goes on in this business, right? So what I understand when I discuss these things with the team, so surely they will provide that thing, and they are looking forward to those things
Yes,
with a strong
initially.
intent.
Yeah, initially you said it's real estate is all about trust. Like your
It's all about us.
father carry on the legacy. Now you are dealing with the same thing also. That's very nice. My last question is your relationship with Newmax. How your relationship with? Have you met Sunil Goyal sir yet?
Yes, 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 quite a lot of times.
So how your relationship with him? What do you think about him then, as a person?
Very nice. I would say that as a person is very energetic, very passionate, and I personally enjoy working when the energy and those that passion meets. So it's more fun to work together, right? And he looks forward to building a very good brand and building a legacy. Once again, he has done all these things for his entire life and still he is so much eager and that energy to that I have to build something new again in market. So surely I really like those aspects, and the commitment that he has for his work is no doubt a very strong point that defines him.
All right. Before ending the podcast, I want to ask you one question while when you were answering me. I got to know. Does Newmax Muzaffarnagar is doing something for NRIs also?
For NRIs,
Yeah,
yes.
they are.
Yes, Newmax is doing. See, I keep on having word with my network
Okay.
who are living somewhere or the other outside India, right? And me, I also belong from Muzaffarnagar. So I know in and out many people who are living outside and who are in my network, right? So they also look forward. Not everybody who is staying abroad looks forward to staying for their entire life. Everybody has their different necessities or aspirations जिसके लिए बाहर गए हैं या रह रहे हैं. So when I share the feedback that I get from people is that yes, अगर ऐसी चीज़ डेवलप हो रही है, so in future surely I would like to invest over there, and अगर ऐसी चीज़ है, so I won't look forward to living in metro cities once I return back to India, but I would be living in somewhere much closer and in my hometown itself. So this is a very very strong point and a good project for NRIs.
Very insightful. It's great having a conversation with you. We got to know so many things. You gave us so many informations about you, about real estate, and plus Newmax. So people, ये थे हमारे साथ अनुभव मलिक. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Ayush. Thank you.